Epstein scandal leaves power and secrecy under scrutiny. The documents linked to the late financier Jeffrey Epstein continues to fuel global debate, suggesting a story far larger than the crime of one individual. Court records and testimony reveal how Epstein built relationships with politicians, royalty, academics, and business leaders, creating a network that amplified his access to influence even after earlier allegations became public. Welcome to War India News Hour. Criticism of the justice system has endured since the controversial 2008 plea agreement. Lawmakers in the United States and United Kingdom have argued that wealth and proximity to power appear to shield key figures from tougher accountability. Epstein's association with people such as Prince Andrew, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump has drawn intense attention, through each has denied wrongdoing. A persistent point of contention is whether Epstein gathered information that could be used for leverage. The United States Department of Justice has said it found no conclusive proof of a wider blackmail conspiracy beyond Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell, yet skeptics argue that the scale of his contacts and record keeping leaves unanswered questions. Speculation about intelligence links, including claims involving Mossad, remains unproven. Years later, the affair continues to erode trust in institutions, highlighting how secrecy, privilege, and delayed transparency can magnify the damage long after the central figures are gone. Let's look into today's headlines. OpenAI launches its most advanced self-improving coding model, GPT 5.3 Codex. OpenAI has rolled out a new coding-focused AI model, GPT 5.3 Codex. The company says this is its most capable agentic coding model so far, designed not just to write code but to handle long, complex tasks that stretches across the entire software workflow. The launch also comes after OpenAI recently introduced a dedicated Codex app for macOS, hinting at a sharper focus on AI agents that work alongside developers rather than just answering prompts. OpenAI's claim that GPT 5.3 Codex played a role in building itself. Tower Semiconductor and NVIDIA partner on 1.6 trillion silicon photonics for AI data centers. Tower Semiconductor and NVIDIA are teaming up to scale next generation AI infrastructure with 1.6 trillion optical modules for data centers. The collaboration centers on Tower's advanced silicon photonics platform, designed to meet the growing bandwidth and performance demands on large-scale AI deployments. Tower Semiconductor further announced that its silicon photonics CFO technology will be used in 1.6 trillion data center optical modules designed for NVIDIA networking protocols. Musk denied SpaceX report of developing a Starlink phone. Elon Musk has denied a Reuters report stating that SpaceX is working on developing a Starlink smartphone in recent weeks. Reuters reported that SpaceX has been planning to develop such a phone for years and that entering the smartphone sector is one strategy being considered to help Starlink expand into new markets as SpaceX plans for an initial public offering IPO. Musk, however, accused the news outlet of lying and clarified that they are not working on any such smartphone currently. Moltbook social media site for AI agents exposes a big security hole. A new social network, Moltbook, a Reddit-like site, advertised as a social network built exclusively for AI agents, inadvertently revealed the private messages sharing between agents, the email addresses of more than 6,000 owners, and more than a million credentials. Moltbook's creator Matt Skish has previously championed vibe coding, the practice of putting programs together with the help of artificial intelligence. Wiz co-founder Amy Lott said security problems identified by Wiz has been fixed after the company contacted Moltbook. He called it a classic byproduct of vibe coding. Reddit to roll out bot levels and labeling on its platform. Reddit plans to introduce bot identification and labeling on its platform, stepping up efforts to curb automated accounts as artificial intelligence reshaping online conversations and strains user trust. CEO Steve Hoffman said the company will soon move to verify and tag bots following the recent launch of verified profiles for public figures, brands, trusted partners, and individuals on Reddit. He added that the company will quickly move to bot verification and labeling next. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and comment War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.